Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to review Polygon, this top layer 2 technology that this skyrocket, it will go to the moon for sure. I probably will give you some price prediction in this video, and we are going to check why Polygon is still the best solution, layer 2 solution for Ethereum. We have a lot of news and TA. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, first of all I want to review the TA of this Matic against USDT. You can see here this trend, and if I show you the Matic against Bitcoin, you will see that these charts are very similar. So you can see that doesn't change too much. We have the same peaks, the same resistance and support areas almost exactly. So when your coin against USDT and against Bitcoin looks similar, the chart, that means it's a really good coin, because usually you maybe have more uptrend against USDT, but not so much against Bitcoin, because usually Bitcoin performs better against all the other altcoins. So that is something to consider. So checking here, Matic against USDT, this is a 1 year, only 2021 from February, a little after that. And we can see 4 channels for me, and in this big ascending triangle that we are creating here. But from here we can see that when we create a new all-time high, we break it, we generate a new channel. When we retest that as support, we break again. After we generate a new channel here, we break again, and that is the continuation for here. So each time we break a new all-time high, we create new heights here. And from the July bottom that we have from all the coins, a similar chart for all the altcoins, we have been creating higher lows here, 1, 2, and 3, and higher highs, 1, 2, and 3. So from July, we are actually in an uptrend. Even if the general market could have pumps or dumps, in this chart is clearly on the fact that we are in an uptrend from July at least. In the big schema, this is a complete uptrend, and we are inside a pattern that is 60-70% of the time bullish, which is this ascending triangle. Unifying these wicks and these bottoms here on these higher lows, if we extend that line, we can see that this was also support here on April, support here on March, and previously it was resistance here in the beginning of March when we hit this all-time high for first time. So this light blue line is very important as a support area right now, and that is why I think with this one and this line, which was a previous all-time high here and the previous local high that we tested a couple of days ago in December, we are generating this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. So for me, if we don't go below this line of support, we are completely fine. We can continue inside this triangle until February, actually, beginning of February. But if we have some kind of pump on Bitcoin and in the crypto market, we probably will break this triangle to the upside and generate a new channel outside of this. So then the $2.5 could be support after that. So for me, Matic is completely bullish right now. Polygon is still at position 15 on the CoinMarketCap with $50 billion of market capitalization. So still super bullish on Polygon. And why I'm super bullish? Well, Polygon is one of the projects that continue going with the last technology available on blockchain technologies. Actually, this is the most amazing week for Polygon with this news. Polygon goes deeper into ZK Tech by acquiring Mir for almost $500 million. And if you don't know what ZK Tech is and what rollups are, you can check here my video 12 days ago about Immutable X new layer solution, where I explain a little bit how was the technology changing until we have Zcash rollups right now as the top technology using batch for more scalability and low fees. So Polygon is actually in this direction with this acquirement. So the Indian-based layer 2 Ethereum scaling platform Polygon has acquired zero knowledge technology developer Mir for 400 million as part of Polygon continued focus on Zk tech. So this will help Polygon build its new project, Polygon Zero, a highly scalable Ethereum compatible Zk rollup. A zero knowledge protocol is a cryptographic algorithm that allows validators to verify encrypted data without revealing the data. So if you want to read a little more about the technology, you can see here. But in August, Polygon committed 1 billion towards adoption, developing and acquiring Zk projects and solutions. Its acquisition of Mir is a part of the same goal. Prior to Mir, Polygon acquired Hermes Network and launched Polygon Midden, an Ethereum virtual machine compatible scaling solution using a Zk proof system to further its Zk vision. So Polygon continue in the top of the technology and being the most important layer 2 solution for Ethereum. And this is not all. I will show you all this news that has not more than 1 week old mainly. So the expansion of Polygon continue growing. They are super aggressive on their expansion. They also have Polygon Studios, which welcome collection and the World of Cricket to the Polygon Matic ecosystem through NFTs. So Polygon Studios, the gaming and NFT arm of Polygon Matic, welcome collection and the World of Cricket to the Polygon ecosystem via medium.com. This collection is the most elite and curated digital collection marketplace for premium NFTs. Plans to bring a collection of 30 exclusive NFT featuring top Australian cricket players, which will be launched using the Polygon blockchain through collaboration with Polygon Studios. Before we continue with the video, remember that I am doing an amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. If you want to participate, it's super easy, just a couple of clicks. Follow the link in the description. But remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on to be considered. Also, Polygon partners with NFT game Sidious to scale Metaverse. Sidious made the announcement on December 9, just a few days before its IDO on December 15. The NFT gaming platform is aimed to scale its Galaxy Metaverse using Polygon's Layer 2 technology. Sidious is a play-to-earn metaverse game with a galaxy full of heroes that you own in the form of NFTs. And Polygon is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling aggregator that uses rollup technology to make transactions faster and cheaper. And this is not a small project. Actually, you can check if you want to participate in this. Sidious, they have more than 250,000 followers on Twitter. And the 15th of December they are launching that, so you can check that. And also Polygon is cementing its position as the new umbrella destination for NFTs. So all related to NFTs and Metaverse, Polygon is also on the top notch of this. Polygon at the present time holds a domination position within the gaming and NFT ecosystem with more than 100,000 blockchain gamers on its network, trailing just behind the market leader Ethereum. Besides collection, the Asia's biggest NFT marketplace that I already mentioned, Polygon has now announced that it will finance 50% of all ongoing product development costs of Game On Entertainment to help build the new NFT games atop its Layer 2 scaling platform. Game On is on the leading games tech startups and is spearheading the efforts to bring NFT and collectibles into the Asian market. So the expansion of Polygon goes everywhere. Also, Recure joins Polygon Studios and another for Portal's past drop. Recure is a leading technology organization, recently launched its Portal Pass drop. The drop presents a one-time opportunity to users since the Portal Pass is only live for 24 hours, and the company has increased the Portal Pass accessibility by partnering with ventures like Polygon Studios. And in other news, ClayStack introduced brings liquidity staking to Polygon, and this is important because this platform offers decentralized liquidity staking and it's founded by CoinFound, Coinbase and Parafy. will introduce Malaway testnet later this month, and this is also introducing liquidity staking on Polygon. Also, OneChain partners with Polygon. OneChain is a real cool blockchain which is partnering with Polygon. So Polygon also, besides the super scalability, the top technology that they use, the low fees, they also are super interoperable with another blockchains and another platforms. More information on NFT and Metaverse. Gaia Everworld attracted a grant from Polygon Foundation. Further confirmation and anticipation surrounding this play-to-earn blockchain game. Gaia also has Polygon here on the website as one of the strategic investors. You can check this project also if you are interested in Metaverse. This is GaiaWorld.com, that is the website, and you can check in Twitter. And to finalize, venture capitals are in talks to invest 50 to 150 million in Polygon report. Investors like Sequoia Capital, India, and Steadview Capital are eyeing an investment in the Ethereum Layer 2 solution. And yes, of course, why not? With all this news, just 1 week of news, and we have all that expansion, all that investment, 1 billion investment from Polygon into NFTs, into technology. So this is super cool. And I really think that Polygon will continue dominating the Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, because actually not many companies are right now in the umbrella of the Zk rollup, and that is a really big step on the technology and protocol for blockchain. So if you are interested, again, check this Immutable X video where I explain the evolution during these protocols until we get on this Zk rollup. That will be all for this video, guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get the notifications. And put your comments below. What do you think about Matic and Polygon? Are you holding Matic tokens? What are your price predictions for this? If we talk about price predictions, I really think Matic still can do 10x. Even if you say that that could not happen, because that would mean that in a quick math, we need to have 150 billion of market cap. I think during 2022, that is still possible. Ethereum 2.0, it will not be here until end of 2022. So we have 1 more year of the really need of layer 2 solutions. And I really don't think that they could deliver 2.0 at that date. So with all the expansion and all the work that Polygon is doing, I really think that they can get the crown of layer 2. And if we have the bull run that everybody is expecting in Q1 of 2022, or now all YouTubers are changing their predictions, that is why I don't give that kind of predictions. But if we have a bull run in 2022, a continuation of the current bull market, then I think Matic can go really high in the scale and could be a top 3 coin. I really think so. Of course, this is only a fundamental price prediction. It's not a chart price prediction, because that is something that we cannot assume here at 10x. But I still think that in the long term, this could go to $20. Well guys, that is all for this video. Again, remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.